Today, we're taking an in-depth look at NapBots, an automated trading platform that aims to simplify cryptocurrency investing with AI-driven strategies. If you're looking for a way to trade 24/7 without constantly monitoring the markets, this bot might be worth considering. We'll go over the platform's features, pricing, ease of use, and most importantly, my personal experience using NapBots. First, let's start with the basics. NapBots is a cloud-based trading bot that automates cryptocurrency trading by following pre-programmed strategies developed by professional traders. Unlike manual trading, where you're required to execute every trade yourself, NapBots allows users to subscribe to different strategies and let the bot handle the execution. Setting up an account is straightforward. After signing up, you're greeted with a clean dashboard that provides an overview of available strategies. NapBots offers different strategies depending on risk tolerance and investment goals. Some are designed for lower risk, steady gains, while others focus on more aggressive, high-reward trades. These strategies are available for various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins. A key feature of NapBots is its ability to automate trading on popular exchanges such as Binance, Kraken, and Bitfinex. You simply connect your exchange account using an API key, allowing NapBots to execute trades on your behalf. The process is secure, as the API only grants trading permissions and does not allow withdrawals. Now, let's talk about performance. NapBots provides backcasted data for each strategy, showing historical returns and performance metrics. However, past results don't guarantee future profits, so it's essential to diversify strategies and set realistic expectations. In my testing, the bot executed trades efficiently and without delays, but market conditions play a significant role in profitability. The volatility of crypto means that while some days bring impressive gains, others can result in losses. One advantage of NapBots is its subscription-based model. Instead of taking a percentage of your profits, NapBots charges a monthly fee based on the number of strategies you use. This pricing structure can be beneficial for high-volume traders, but may not be ideal for beginners with a small portfolio. The user experience is smooth, and the interface is intuitive, making it easy to navigate even if you're new to automated trading. You can track your active strategies, view real-time performance, and make adjustments as needed. Another helpful feature is the ability to switch strategies based on market conditions, allowing for flexibility in trading approaches. Many useful links can be found in the description. Do this after looking at the video. Now, let's address the drawbacks. While NapBots offers a range of strategies, customization options are somewhat limiting. Unlike some other bots that allow you to build your own trading algorithms, NapBots focuses on preset strategies, meaning you have less control over individual trade decisions. Additionally, since NapBots relies on third-party exchanges, it's subject to any limitations or downtimes those exchanges may experience. Another consideration is risk management. While NapBots does offer diversification across strategies, there's still the inherent risk of losses, especially in unpredictable market conditions. It's important to monitor performance and adjust strategies accordingly rather than relying solely on automation. So, is NapBots worth it? If you're looking for a hands-off approach to crypto trading and are comfortable with algorithmic strategies, it's definitely a platform worth considering. It simplifies trading for those who don't want to spend hours analyzing charts, but still want exposure to the market. However, if you prefer full control over trade execution, you might find NapBots too restrictive. Before making any decisions, always do your own research. Start with a small investment and test the platform's performance for yourself. Let me know in the comments what you think about NapBots, and if you've had any experiences with automated trading bots. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews on crypto trading tools and strategies. See you in the next one.